The Mysore Palace is one of India's most magnificent royal palaces and a major tourist attraction. Located in the city of Mysore, it served as the official residence of the Wadiyar dynasty. The Mysore Palace is located in the heart of Mysore in the state of Karnataka, India. Situated on Sayaji Rao Road, it is about 145 kilometers southwest of Bengaluru and is easily accessible by road, rail, and bus. Its central location makes it one of the most popular tourist attractions in southern India. Mysore Palace has a history of over 600 years and served as the royal residence of the Wadiyar dynasty. The original wooden palace was destroyed by fire in 1897 during a royal wedding. The present palace was designed by Henry Irwin and built between 1897 and 1912 in the Indo-Saracenic style. Today, it is one of India's most famous landmarks, attracting millions of visitors each year and becoming the center of the grand Mysore Dasara celebrations. It serves as a museum displaying royal artifacts, paintings, weapons, furniture, and costumes of the Wadiyar dynasty. The architecture of Mysore Palace is a magnificent example of the Indo-Saracenic style, which combines Hindu, Islamic, Rajput, and Gothic architectural elements. Three-story structure with a symmetrical layout. A 145-foot (44 meters) central tower topped by a gilded dome. Facade built from grey granite and crowned with pink marble domes. The domes of Mysore Palace are a defining feature of its Indo-Saracenic architecture. The palace has several pink marble domes, with the tallest central dome. The interior of Mysore Palace is renowned for its royal grandeur and exquisite craftsmanship. The Grand Durbar Hall has beautifully decorated columns, high ceilings, and elegant chandeliers. The stunning Kalyana Mantapa marriage hall features a colorful stained glass ceiling, mosaic floors, and ornate iron pillars. The walls feature paintings, floral motifs, and geometric designs, and the palace also displays finely crafted ivory inlays, sculptures, and decorative metalwork. During the celebrations, the palace is illuminated with nearly 100,000 lights, and visitors enjoy classical music, dance, folk performances, royal ceremonies, and the spectacular Jambu Savari procession, where the idol of goddess Chamundeshwari is carried on a beautifully decorated elephant in a golden howdah. The royal ceremonies at Mysore Palace are an important part of the annual Mysore Dasara celebrations. Held every year during Navratri and ending on Vijayadashami Dussehra, it is Karnataka's state festival and attracts millions of visitors. It reflects the cultural heritage of the Wadiyar dynasty and comes alive during the grand Mysore Dasara festival. With its timeless beauty and historical significance, the palace remains a symbol of Karnataka's royal legacy and a must-visit destination for people from around the world.